Aloha YouTube, this is your boy Mike Grimes coming to you from Honolulu, Hawaii. And today's video is talking about the laundry rooms located on the Carnival cruise ships. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it's on every other floor, usually located on the odd floors, if I'm not mistaken. I don't recall for sure, but just double check if you're on a Carnival cruise line. So when you go and you follow the signs and you're going to go to where you see the laundry, they'll have it marked. You go inside, depending on the size of the ship, dictate usually how many washer and dryers they have. They could have multiple on that floor, so just make sure you reference the map, the onboard map. So you don't have to take any money with you. There is a charge. However, you just use your ship card and you will be able to purchase for the washer and dryer. Also, if you didn't bring any laundry soap with you or fabric softener or the dryer sheets, they have that available as well at purchase. You just need to use your ship card. Now, the room that I'm currently in, it had 2 washers and 4 dryers. I think it's pretty neat. I've been on other cruise lines that don't offer this, or you have an ironing board and iron that you can get that they'll bring to your room, and then when you're done, you sit outside and somebody will come and pick it up. I like that you can just go to the room, you can iron your clothes. This one had 2 ironing boards, a small one, I guess if you had something small, maybe a hat or something, and it had the bigger ironing board for all your laundry needs. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day. Aloha.